Wall Street Pepe is the biggest ICO of 2025, and that is absolutely amazing. But guys, we have to have a game plan, okay? Because I want you to make as much money as possible. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. I don't know how high it's going to go. I don't know when it's going to go that high. If I had all the answers, I would be a billionaire, maybe even a trillionaire. But I don't have all the answers, right? So none of us do. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. Nobody knows what's going to happen in 5 minutes from now. But we simply know we are taking a chance. We are engaging in that opportunity. And if we follow a similar roadmap, okay, it might give us some insight into what we should be expecting. So let's go over a little bit of a game plan for the launch of Wall Street Pepe so that we can make as much money as possible. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, you can see that we have got a lot going on. A $70 million ICO. And if you guys are interested, we're going to go over some graphs here in a second. But if you guys are interested in buying Wall Street Pepe, it says there's 7 days and 20 hours left. Please, I really don't think that it's gonna reach that. These guys are probably closing in on $73 million right now. I've been told that is the hard cap. Boom. Pre-sale is over when it hits that level. And if that's the case, guys, you need to make a decision very, very quickly if you want to get in or not. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. You may have a couple-minute opportunity on launch day to get in at roughly this price right here. Maybe a little bit higher, right? And I'm going to go over the graph and show you that. But if you want to lock your position in now, you click that link in the description below. It pulls up this website. You click on buy with crypto, buy with card. If you want to buy with crypto but you don't necessarily know how, I do have a full walkthrough tutorial of how to scan this QR code and all of that. Just type in how to buy Wall Street Pepe on my channel. And I put my wallet on the screen, show you guys, everybody click on all that good stuff. But we got to get serious for a minute, okay? I don't know if Wall Street Pepe is going to see a 50% gain. I don't know if it's going to see a 5x gain. I don't know if it's going to see a 10x gain. My expectations, okay, depend a lot on when it launches. I don't want it to launch into a market that is sitting in a situation of 35 fear on the CoinStats index, or I don't want it to launch into a market that's sitting at where is it here on CoinMarketCap? I think it's like 35 fear here as well. I want it to launch into a greedy market, so I'm okay if they take another week or so, because I do believe that Bitcoin is going to bounce back nicely. We're going to see some confidence coming back into the space, and that's going to bode very well for some launch day gains. So let's talk about those launch day gains, right? Now, this is Pepe Unchained, and this is an hourly graph. In one of the previous videos, I looked at a 2-hour chart. This is an hourly graph, and I want to show you something very important. The very first hour that it launched, it saw some beautiful gains up to 2 cents. Doubled in price. Some people took their profit. Some people gave up. And that is a lot of money to make. So if that's you, take it, man. You know, if you want to double your money, take it. If you want to take your initial out and let your profit run, do it. I don't know what's going to work best for you. Only you know what's going to work best. So follow your strategy. Get your game plan ready now. But here's what happened. People took that profit. It went down. It went back up. It went back down again. And then it started to stabilize. It took several hours to stabilize. But one of the things that I imagine happened here was $70 million that Pepe Unchained raised. The team may have stabilized that price a little bit with some buybacks. They're allowed to do that. In the same way, I would imagine we could see some Wall Street Pepe buybacks happening as well to stabilize the price. And if that's the case, guys, look what happened afterwards. It began to break a new high. Now all of a sudden it's up 150%. Wait a second. Oh, it fell back down. Oh, wait, no. It hits a new all-time soaring in value. Look at this. Soaring in value. Some people took profit, pulled back, and then began to soar even further. Now, Pepe Unchained was able to do a 7x increase, going from roughly 1 cent to 7 cents before ultimately reaching its profit-taking level. Then traders began to move in to Wall Street Pepe. Now, these guys that 7x their money moving into Wall Street Pepe, they've got their game plan. And to be completely honest with you, Pepe Unchained is still doing very well above the pre-sale price. And if you stayed invested in it, you're still making money. But here's what I want you guys to do, okay? I want you to peak out. I want you to hit the ultimate high that Wall Street Pepe has. But it's okay, right? If you get in here on the pullback and you 4x your money, that's okay. If you get in here and you 5x, that's okay. If you wait until it begins to dip and you get out at a measly little 3x gain, guys, we're talking about a lot of money to be made, whether you time this thing perfectly or not. Now, knowing that the same people who bought and made a lot of money on Pepe Unchained bought into Wall Street Pepe, I want you to have your plan together beforehand. I don't want you to kick yourself if you get out at a 3x gain and it ends up 6xing. I don't want you to kick yourself if you get out at a 6x gain and it ends up 12xing. Because you and I have no idea what is happening tomorrow, what is happening in the future. We simply know what's happening now. And if you're happy with double your money, if you're happy with triple, quadruple, quintuple your money, take that gain. Why? Because there's always another opportunity tomorrow. And if we make money on Wall Street Pepe, if we make a lot of money, because I got a lot invested in it, if we make a lot of money in Wall Street Pepe, the same way that those guys 7x'd in Pepe Unchained and moved into Wall Street Pepe, we're just going to simply watch where the money goes. Mind of Pepe is an option. Solixi token is an option. There's so many options out there right now where these guys are going to pour their money as they profit in Wall Street Pepe. If we simply follow the game plan, guys, wash, rinse, and repeat. This bull market cycle could generate that life-changing gain that we've all been waiting for. But not if we don't take the chance. Not if we don't have that opportunity in our grasp. That's why I'm investing in Wall Street Pepe. Yeah, it's a risk. I get that, right? You're foolish if you don't think that there's a risk being taken. But the reward is way too good for me to forego. I want to know what you guys are doing. Let me know down in the comments below. Like I say, you got links for everything down in the pinned comment, down in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.